Trying to manage employee infractions and leave requests using scattered files creates a heavy administrative burden, one that exposes your business to unnecessary risk. If your tracking is inconsistent, how can your disciplinary action be fair or legally sound? The system you use must prioritize clarity over complexity, especially when personnel decisions are involved. When structure is introduced, administrative stress dissipates. This employee infraction and leave tracker centralizes critical data, providing a clear, auditable record for every personnel decision. You gain automated insight into escalating behavioral patterns, ensuring you apply policies consistently every time. The goal is simple: replace uncertainty with documented confidence, allowing you to focus on your operations, not manual HR calculations. This toolkit is built on 4 main interconnected sheets designed for structured data entry and retrieval. First, the Setup tab establishes your policy parameters, defining infraction weights, leave types, and employee data. This is your master sheet, ensuring consistency across all logs. Second, the infraction log sheet captures specific incidents and leaves, automatically tallying points against defined thresholds and calculates staff coverage and remaining vacation days. Third, the automated calendar sheet pulls leave inputs into accessible calendar view dashboard, showing all employee leaves at a glance and allows you to track staff coverage. And finally, the dashboard, giving you an instant, high-level overview of behavioral patterns and even calculates infraction costs for your company. Let us walk through the process. Beginning with a new employee infraction, navigate to the infraction log. We focus on standardized data entry here. At the end of the table, input the date of the incident and select the infraction type, choosing from the policies defined in your Setup tab. Next, you select the employee name from a drop-down, which pulls the unique employee ID automatically. Notice how the assigned infraction point value and department instantly populates, based on your policy structure and entered data. You can also include a clear, professional description of the incident and any disciplinary action taken, ensuring a complete audit trail. You can also rewrite the points if needed for this particular event. The system aggregates these points automatically. If an employee has more than one incident in a row, the dashboard alerts you, signaling the need for the next step in your disciplinary procedure. This replaces subjective judgment calls with objective, data-driven action, ensuring procedural fairness. The infraction log also includes a specific field error check function to minimize errors in data. Now let's discuss leave management. It is similar to the infraction log. You define the start and end dates, select employee and the specific leave type, such as vacation, sick leave, or personal time. And the system calculates the total days utilized. This is crucial. The system validates the request against the employee's existing balance, as defined in the setup. When you record a leave entry, the balance updates immediately, providing real-time visibility into available PTO. No more manual subtraction or cross-referencing multiple spreadsheets. The centralized reporting in the dashboard or calendar quickly identifies high absenteeism trends or employees nearing their leave limits. For both infractions and leave, the data flows also into individual employee reports, creating a comprehensive personnel history document at the click of a button, ready for performance reviews or necessary documentation. This structured input guarantees that your resulting reports are accurate, consistent, and immediately actionable. The core benefit of this system is achieving consistent policy application. This structured approach eliminates the "I forgot" factor in personnel management. You receive immediate, color-coded alerts when an employee reaches a disciplinary threshold, preventing small issues from escalating into significant problems. The template supports multiple leave types and customized infraction weighting, adapting to your specific handbook, generating a complete history for a single employee, detailing all time off and all disciplinary actions. Now takes seconds, not hours. This drastically reduces the time spent compiling reports for internal reviews or external audits. If a former employee challenges a termination, This consistent timestamp log provides the defensible structure required. Consistency is not just fair. It is a necessary legal defense, and this tool enforces it automatically. This tracker is specifically designed for the small business owner or manager wearing the HR hat. The person who needs clarity, not complicated enterprise software. If you are struggling to maintain fairness and accuracy while juggling dozens of other responsibilities, this is your structure. You don't need endless features. You need reliable, repeatable processes for sensitive data. Stop wasting time manually checking vacation balances and calculating infraction points. Implement a system that works in the tools you already know, Excel or Google Sheets, giving you professional, structured personnel records immediately. Clarity in personnel management is achievable, but only through dedicated structure. Stop relying on memory or scattered files to manage your most sensitive employee data. Click the link below to access the Employee Infraction and Leave Tracker. Download the template, input your established policies into the Setup tab, and begin logging incidents and time off accurately today. Relief is found in reliable data and documented consistency. Invest in the structure that protects your business and allows you to manage your team confidently, ensuring fairness and minimizing risk.